I've been reminded to check all these smoke alarms at home today. But as I check this one, by pressing the little test button, no beep beep, which means it's not working. It's got a little thing here, little tag poking out saying warning battery removed. From memory, I took the battery out because it was doing that little chirp, in the middle of the night, beep, and you sort of wake up, what the hell's that noise? It's a low battery or a flat battery in your smoke alarm. So to change the battery out, we just need to give this a little twist anti-clockwise. Sure enough, no battery. So that is typically replaced with a square 9-volt battery. When we fit the new battery, it should chirp to let us know it's connected. Or not, there it goes. Battery fitted, and that little tag pops back in. Cool. So they're the two little recesses there. Line that up with the bracket that's in the ceiling. If you're doing this up a ladder, be super careful. Don't overreach. It's working. Let's check the other ones. And this one's missing altogether. I did notice that the other day, so I've gone and bought a replacement. I just bought a 2-pack of smoke alarms from the hardware store, but they're not the same brand, so they're not going to be interchangeable on this bracket. So I'll get rid of this existing one. I don't know where the smoke alarm's gone. So this is the replacement smoke alarm, and it's a different bracket. So we're going to have to fit this one in place where the other one was. Line it up pretty close to where it was and just mark those screw holes with a pencil. This video clip turned out a bit blurry, so I'm going to show you how to do it on just this piece of board here. The new smoke alarm comes with the bracket, the screws, and these two little wall plugs, and it's just a secure way of getting something to attach to like a plasterboard ceiling. If you want to cheat and just put these screws straight into the plasterboard, you can. But it's not a really solid fixing, and you run the risk of the smoke alarm falling out, or next time you change the batteries, the whole unit might fall out. So use these plugs if you can. It just means you need to drill a little 5mm hole into your plasterboard. Okay, fit the battery in. Use those two holes there to line up with those two clips. Ooh, that is ear piercing. It's definitely working. So that's actually a pretty simple job that we just did, changing the battery in one smoke alarm and fitting a new smoke alarm. Remember, if you're up a ladder, be super careful, or if you know someone that's 6 foot, they'll be able to do that for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.